Hi, I'm the Moorlander and this is Moorlander EDC. Today with another 4-minute fix on the Alpaka Pencil Case version 2. Apparently there were some improvements over the version 1 that they really needed to make, so we have the version 2. Now if you're new to my 4-minute fix piece of content, what I do is I take an item, no showboating, just straight down to the facts, see if I can fit everything in within 4 minutes. So yeah, let's do it. So I have my trusty timer with me here today. As soon as I turn this over, then the 4 minutes will begin, and then when the 4 minutes has ended, yeah, it'll beep. So let's turn that over. Hopefully you can see 4 minutes has started. Okay, so measurements wise, this comes in at 180 millimeters by 55 millimeters by 50 millimeters, which is 7.1 inches by 2.16 inches by 1.96 inches. I've tried to work this out. I think that's 490 milliliters, which isn't particularly big, but I think for a pencil case, you know, you're not going to be, well, I mean, I guess you probably could fit a lot into a large pencil case, but this is just designed to be a small pencil case that you can just fit your essential pencils in, your day-to-day stuff, and maybe a few extra bits. This is completely and utterly over-engineered as far as the materials are concerned, which I love. I think this is great. So I'm a big fan of X-Pac material. If you can see here on the outside, you have this really nice X-Pac, and it is the VX-42 material. This is available in a few different colors. I think there is a black version. This is the olive green version. But yeah, X-Pac is known for being extremely wear resistant and abrasive resistant and tear resistant as well. You can see here there's these kind of lines through there, so imagine that it's like ripstop, but it's like mega ripstop. X-Pac was used as sailcloths on yachts and boats and schooners and that sort of stuff during the Olympics. On the outside here, there is a YKK AquaGuard zipper, just in case you're like, oh, I can't get my pens and pencils wet. But again, you know, it's called a pencil case, but you can put other stuff in here. It really doesn't matter that you don't use it for pens and pencils. But yes, so all across the front here, which is the main opening, there aren't any secondary or tertiary kind of compartments on this. It's just the one main compartment. But yes, you've got your AquaGuard. Then on the outside, so there's a little bit here and there's one on the edge here, and then the zipper pull is made from oh, what's it called? Anyway, it's made from this material. I have to put it down there because I know I'm struggling for time. Open this up, and then when it opens up, you can see on the outside we have this really nice high-vis lining. I believe that this is a 210 ripstop material, which is great. Again, it probably doesn't need to be as tough. They probably could have just put the X-Pac lining, just, you know, the simple bit in there, but it's nice that it's there. So for me, I've got that on there just so that I've got some of the details today, but I have an extra refill for some pens. I keep a mechanical pencil. I've got a little stylus in there as well, my mini champ. There's a Sharpie here as well, just in case, you know, I'm in the bathroom and want to do some crude drawings on the wall. Then I have my Bastion pen. I love this and take this everywhere with me. I have a link for this. And then I've got a couple of extra pens just in case I need some extra colours whilst I'm doing some illustration for some clients. I have my Parker pen, and then I have this little Stanley tool. Damn it, why is all this moving around? This is great mainly because you have a screwdriver on that end, and then there's also a different bit on there as well. But all of this perfectly fits into here. So I've got pens, I've got pencils, I've got refills, and a little tool as well, just in case. Oh, I did forget to mention, so I've also got some dice in there. I use dice just for fun decisions through the day, and it's also part of the hub system. You can use these bits on the end for the hub. So there you go. There's 4 minutes. Let's turn that back over so it stops that. Is there anything that I missed? No, I don't think there's anything that I missed. I think really I was just trying to get to the end as far as the hub system, but I forgot to mention the hub system that you can add to this, mainly because I forgot what the material on the end here is. So there you go. Whether you're after something to put pens and pencils in, or you're just after something that's a bit more of an irregular shape, you've got something specific, some whim-whams, some knickknacks that you want to put into here. It's incredibly over-constructed, it really is, I think for what this is designed for, but I think that's Alpaka again doing what Alpaka do best. So yes, there you go, the Alpaka Pencil Case version 2. Now I'll leave some links below so you can see more from Alpaka and the pencil case. I'll also leave some of my social media links below as well, but for now, as always, stay safe, stay Moorlander, and stay EDC. But you know, if you need something small like this for your pensticular or for your needs, no, you're an idiot. You're an absolute idiot. Pensticular. Receptacle for little knickknacks and whim-whams, that sort of stuff. Yeah, it's great. Now, of course, this is YouTube, so I'll leave some links below if you want to have a look at No. Just after something that's a little bit different shaped so that you can put other... Oh, you frickin' frick. Oh, you fricking frick. That's right. Nothing else, just fricking fricks. That's what we're here for today. Fricking fricks. The thing.